Good morning, friends. A couple of weeks ago on Monday, I was at Haridwar and took a dip in the holy Ganga, not at Har Ki Pauri but at Chandighat, which is the main Ganga, which flows off from the barrage which is created just top of Haridwar. I ended up chanting the Ganga Stotram by Adi Shankaracharya Bhagavad Pada and then Gange Mampahi in the Raga Jinjoti by my most favorite of the trinity of composers, Muthuswami Dikshidhar. My next step is to visit Banaras, which is tomorrow, Friday. And naturally the composition that comes to mind is Maharaja Swati Tirunal's Vishweshwar Darshan Kar, composed in the raga Sindhu Bhairavi, Carnatic raga Sindhu Bhairavi, otherwise known as Bhairavi in Indian classical or Hindustani music, in Rupaka Tala. And in this composition, which is in Hindi, the Maharaja describes what you get by having a darshan of Baba Vishwanath and what flows through that city, how the ghats look, how the Lord himself looks along with his consort Parvati, and then finally, since he was the Maharaja of Travancore, Ananta Padmanabha Swami temple, the presiding deity of Travancore state and situated at Thiruvananthapuram, he uses his mudra to describe Lord Vishnu. Padmanabha, Jalajanabha, Sarthijanabha, various names of the lotus, thankfully not the BJP lotus, not the orange Kamal ka fool, but the actual lotus. And what one attains if one prays to both Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. He also describes briefly, or in this composition you will understand why people end up going to Kashi in the last days. It is to essentially attain moksha. It is popularly held that the city, the holy city of Kashi, the central area of Kashi along the Ghats, 84, now 85 Ghats, is situated on the Trishul of Baba Vishwanath. And the Baba is there in various forms as Baba Vishwanath himself. And there are other temples, Sankat Mochan, and there is also a Rameshwaram in Kashi, which is where Lord Rama performed Brahmahati Dosham Nivaranam Yagya, because he had killed Ravana, who was a half Brahmana, Ravana and Brahmana, and therefore he had to build a new Shivling in Kashi. Therefore, it is also said that any pilgrimage to Rameshwaram is incomplete if it is not followed immediately by a pilgrimage to Kashi, because that is what Rama did. He prayed to Lord Shiva at Rameshwara to attain victory over evil, which is Ravana. Ravana essentially is none other than one of the Jaya Vijaya twins, the Dwarapalakas, and the 10 mukhas of Ravana are the 10 bad vices that we humans have: greed, ignorance, idiocy, vasna, etc., etc. So this is going to be my humble attempt at Vishweshwar Darshan Kar. Many people, including Bombay Jayashree, Sandeep Narayan, Anirudh Shankar, Shivasri Skandar Prasad, have all sung this. This is going to be my humble attempt. So Vishweshwar Darshan Kar in the raga Sindhu Bhairavi or Bhairavi, and रूपक ताला. विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी. विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी. You see the Lord Nataraja behind me here, and it is not serendipity that Sindhu Bhairavi is a janya of the 10th Melakarta Raga in the Carnatic music system, which is Nataka Priya. So Lord Nataraja and Nataka Priya. Vishweshwar darshan kar chal man tum kashi. विश्वेश्वर दर्शन जब कीनो बहु प्रेम सहित. विश्वेश्वर दर्शन जब कीनो बहु प्रेम सहित. काटे करुणा निधान काटे करुणा निधान जनन मरण फांसी. काटे करुणा निधान जनन मरण फांसी. विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी. बहुती जिनकी पुरी मो गंगा पे के समान. बहती जिनकी पुरी मो गंगा के समान. वाके तट घाट घाट वाके तट घाट घाट भरे रहे सन्यासी. वाके तट घाट घाट भरे रहे सन्यासी. विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी. भस्म अंग भुज त्रिशूल भस्म अंग भुज त्रिशूल भस्म अंग भुज त्रिशूल. उर में लसे नागमाल. गिरिजा अर्धंग धारी गिरिजा अर्धंग धारी गिरिजा अर्धंग धारी. त्रिभुवन जिनदासी. विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी. पद्मनाभ कमल नयन पद्मनाभ कमल नयन त्रिनयन शंभु महेश। पद्मनाभ कमल नयन त्रिनयन शंभु महेश। भजले इंदो स्वरूप भजले इंदो स्वरूप भजले इंदो स्वरूप रहिए अविनाशी। भजले इंदो स्वरूप रहिए अविनाशी। विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी। विश्वेश्वर दर्शन कर चल मन तुम काशी। बोलो हर